Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change all text in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now I am already open my document. Then go to the first edit menu and you can see here are find and change menu. Then click there. Then firstly write your find what text, then write your change to text. Then click change all, then click OK. You can see here are change the wall text. Here text are already changed. Now you can see change all text in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.